Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to limit power consumption on your speaker Sony ULT FIELD 7. You have to start by open Sony Music Center application, and if you add your speaker to the application you will see this menu. Now you need to scroll down and go to the settings. Then tap at the power option, and right here in the first line we have a stamina. That's actually all what we need. So we need to turn on it and just press the slider near to it. Here we go. So this mode is disable your equalizer and also it turn off your LED light on your speaker. And now if we go to the sound right here, as you can see that it not selected one of these modes or custom mode. So to disable this mode we need to return to the power option and just click again at this slider near to the stamina. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.